Hello. This program is used to find the weight carried by a person in a human pyramid. So, in a human pyramid, the person carries the weight above who are above his level. Like if there are n number of rows and minus one row people's weight is shared to the person in the next row. So here we are calculating the weight carried on a person's back, including the his own weight. So initially, the row and column are entered by the users, for which we have to find the weight of that particular person's whatever he is carrying. So we are using this function human pyramid. It takes a number of rows and columns. So based on these conditions, it checks for the human pyramid. It This function is recursively called to check if that particular to check and calculate how much the weight is calculated by that particular person. So the base case for this function is the person in the top row carries no other weight other than his own weight, because he is the only person and nobody is on above him on the top level. He is the only one on the top. He doesn't carry any weight. And the same way, the bottom level, the people in the bottom level would carry the weight from persons above him, but their own weight is not shared to anybody else because they are the last in that particular level. So um, here is the logic which actually calculates that, and then it returns if the weight of that particular person. Let's execute. If we give 0 0, that means he doesn't carry any other weight extra. So it says 0 pounds. So let's give second row 0 column. It gives 192 pounds because they are carrying the weight of partial weight of the person above him. In order to address the other question, as in, does everyone in the bottom row carry the same weight? No, because it varies. This is the weight. Individual weights are 128 pounds, which is asked to assume as provided in the question, but the weights which are carried by them, it depends on the weight of the people who are above them in the previous or the n minus one level. Since they vary accordingly, not everybody in the bottom level will carry the exactly the same weight.